time for Buju?
Yes.
Right now, man, Christian, I just want to tell the man, say, yo, welcome to Boston.
Give thanks, my brother. Leader, carry the whole gang. See? Lead out. Come lead out.
Yeah, man, thank you very much. Buju, I remember seeing you in Providence, Rhode Island, the night before they were going to invade Iraq for this second war here. Here we are, about 5 years and 2 months on. And you were on the stage the night before. A lot of Americans are very patriotic about their country. And you basically cuss out President Bush. And you were right. I mean, you were right. It was the wrong decision.
Listen now, no, man. You have to have vision, you know. Where there's no vision, and people perish, you know. And
Right.
people suffer.
Right.
Now, the end result of such an action is not no secret. The end result of such an action is not no secret. Guys who never used to feel for your dollar can't even buy bread. Hear that they're subsidizing all these things and the amount of things that are being held back by producing nations and winding up as scarce items. Yes? What do you expect to see? You expect to see a glorious chariot coming through laden with gold hair. You expect to see a pale ass coming through with a man dressed up like a grim reaper with a scale in him and look like a balance.
There you go. You said it, man.
Asking the price of wheat and asking for the price of barley shall be a problem around here.
Are you optimistic about the future worldwide?
I am very optimistic about the future worldwide, but not if them continue creating chaos and instability and monetary problems and people losing them home left, right and center because of crooked insurance company and crooked mortgage broker and black people about to suffer all over again, being pushed out of the middle class situation to just creating a poor and rich class is problems, people. But what? You have sat here for umpteen amount of years, cock your ears and refuse to move and mobilize yourself towards betterment. Some of you forget where you ultimately came from.
Right.
Embrace a tradition which is not even a tradition and a culture which has not even formed itself and expressed itself as such. Forget years in which you were rooted. So why these people to which I speak it? Find yourself, my sisters and brethren. All the sheep return to thy shepherd.
Wise up and rise up. Wise up and rise up, right?
Yeah.
And that's why you're involved with the K-Salam project, right? Tell them about the K-Salam.
K-Salam is a good youth.
Yeah.
And I want to make him know that where I see things is how him see things musically.
Right.
And I don't care what your last name is your action. Because my Babylon name is Myri. Now Myri could be a serial killer back in time.
Yeah.
But you don't know that. You don't have a point of finger of me. And I. But if it come to light, the Myris who are line of brutal massacres.
Before we go,
problem.
what does Gargamel mean, Buju? What does it actually mean?
That don't mean the cartoon protagonist, it mean the reggae revivalist.
Hey, we got somebody else on the phone. Hello, you're on live with Buju Banton. Hello, you're live with Buju. Hello.
Blessed day.
Hello, are you there? Hello. Yeah, they know they Gary. Hello, are you there? Are you there? Hello. The person been on hold for a while, so hey, if you're gonna call and you're gonna be on hold, you have to stay on hold and pay attention. Below, you're on live with Buju Banton. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, Carter.
Hi, Bojo.
Greetings, my love.
Yeah, in the name. I was following you from long time, you know.
Selassie, I.
Yeah, Bojo.
Give thanks, man. I say I come through the place is wet, but I see it as a blessing.
Yeah.
I've been coming to this town ever since I was 19 years old, you know, from the college time to all up to this time, from when we used to sing in the church up the road here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I remember you're from Skycap Plaza.
A sky cap in
And
here.
you remember it too.
And the church, it's a church. It's a church, you know.
It's a church now, yeah. Buju, you must have lived here sometime and we don't know it, huh? Is that true?
No. It's just, I don't forget good place and good people, right, Data?
Hey! The only DJ, ladies and gentlemen, who big up Massachusetts in one of his songs.
Yeah.
Buju Banton.
I'm gonna fly from Worcester County,
But
man.
I know one thing. How you have 15 gal I can't